Welcome everyone! This week we are learning about the ocean, so we're very excited. We're going to make our own ocean today. So stay tuned and we are going to do some exciting fun things today.
Hi, I'm Robbie. Hi, I'm Susie.
Hi, I'm Miss Carly, the teacher. It's time for
Hometime
with Robbie and Susie.
I have hands.
I have hands.
Watch me clap.
Watch me clap.
Oh, what a miracle am I have feet.
I have feet.
Watch me stand.
Watch me stand.
Oh, what a miracle am I. Oh, what a miracle. Oh, what a miracle. Every little part of me. I'm something special, so very special. There's nobody quite like me. I have arms.
I have arms.
Watch me swing.
Watch me swing.
Oh, what a miracle am I have legs.
I have legs.
They can bend and stretch.
They can bend and stretch.
Oh, what a miracle am I. Oh, what a miracle. Oh, what a miracle. Every little part of me. I'm something special, so very special. There's nobody quite like me. I have a spine.
I have a spine.
It can twist and bend.
It can twist and bend.
Oh, what a miracle am I have a 1 foot.
I have a 1 foot.
Watch me balance.
Watch me balance.
Oh, what a miracle am I. Oh, what a miracle. Oh, what a miracle. Every little part of me. I'm something special, so very special. There's nobody quite like me. There's nobody quite like me.
We're going to sing a song about the sea now, so we're going to make some waves and we're going to have a boat and you're going to be able to use your thumb to be me. So we're ready? We're going to sing on 3. 1, 2, 3. Here is the sea, the wavy sea. Here is a boat and here is me. And little fishes way down below wiggle their tails and away they go. Well done everyone. Thanks for singing with me.
Hey everyone, I'm really excited about this book today. It is called Jinormous Jack and it's about a whale shark. This is my friend Jinormous Jack. Say hi. Here he is. Let's see what he actually is. Jinormous Jack. It's magical march down at Old Ningaloo. The sun's shining bright and the water's clear blue. There are turtles and mantas and clownfish and jellies, lionfish and starfish and sharks. Are there relies? They're all waiting around for their friend to come back. Their hero, the famous Jinormous Jack. Where is he? Look, there's so many beautiful animals in the reef. Clownfish, lionfish. Oh, here he is. Now Jack is a whale shark whose mouth is so wide you could easily hide a big dump truck inside. He's got spots and big dots and the odd stripe or two and looks blue as the ocean at Old Ningaloo. And also waiting for him to arrive are those rascally lizards, the Bungaroo 5. There's Yarra, Bungaroo, and Big Brother Joe, Hannah, Dinner, and Little Go-Go. The Bungaroos are puzzled and all want to know where whale sharks come from and where whale sharks go. Are they whales? Are they sharks? Or don't they quite know? Well, when Jack gets here, I'll ask him, says Big Brother Joe. Can you see all the little beautiful turtles? They are in a place called Ningaloo, which is in Australia, in Western Australia. And the ocean is here and the desert is really close. So these goannas live in the desert and the whale shark lives out here just beyond the reef. Let's see what happens next. Well, Jack and his friends are well on their way. They're having their lunch now just off Coral Bay. They're all super hungry and eating their fill of coral spawn, plankton, and backfish and krill. Because these beautiful whale sharks, they don't eat fish, they eat all the little bits in the ocean, the coral spawn, the krill, and the tiny little planktons. Delish, shouts Big Jack. Now let's dive down deep and race to the reef line to Old Yardie Creek. That's where our friends are. Let's see what happens. Going really deep, deep down. Here they are at Yardie Creek. When Big Brother Joe sees the whale sharks are back, he goes out to talk to Jinormous Jack. I just want to ask you, shouts Big Brother Joe, where do you come from? And where do you go? Are you whales? Are you sharks? Or do you not quite know? Joe, just look at my gills, answered Jinormous Jack. I've got huge fish gills, not a hole in my back like the humpback whale. My tail's the tallest. A whale's tail is flat. See his tail goes up and the whale goes this way. I am a fish, not a whale, and that's definitely that. Because of all of his dorsal fins and this one going up, he looks like a shark, not a whale, but he doesn't have a hole. I am the biggest one though, biggest fish in the sea. I'm a whale of a shark, and a whale shark, that's me. And we whale sharks have top secret hideouts, you know, and that's where I've come from and that's where I'll go. I swim around the world with the greatest of ease. I'm Jinormous Jack, the king of the seas. Wow, he has secret hideouts. No people know where the whale sharks go in the winter. They just come out in the summer when the coral comes. Amazing. Now, let's have some fun, Joe, calls Jinormous Jack. I'll take you to the lighthouse and back. I'll swim on the top so you stay in the sun and go fast as a jet plane. Come on, it's great fun. Look at them go so fast. A lizard on the back of a whale shark. Amazing. So off they go fast to the reef's very top, then race back to the creek where they splash to a stop. Joe, the only one to do such a trip on the back of a whale shark instead of a ship. Oh, I wonder what these people are doing. They're like, what? Joe's on the back. What are they doing? Soon, Joe's back home with the Bungaroo band and feels very happy as he jumps on the sand. Bungaroo, says Joe, feel much better on land. That's where a lizard should be, isn't it? In the desert. Okay, let's go, calls Jack with a grin. Those people out there are wanting a swim. So off to the boats, the whale sharks all go. It's fun swimming with people. They are very, very slow. Because whale sharks are very fast. And Jack shouts with glee, I'm as big as a whale, biggest fish in the sea. I'm a whale of a shark, and a whale shark is me. I swim around the world with the greatest of ease. I'm Ginormous Jack, the king of the seas. Then the whale sharks swim down to their hideouts below, their most secret places where only they know. But when March comes again to Ningaloo Reef, the whale sharks are sure to come back, and their friends will be waiting, as they always do, for gigantic, humongous, ginormous Jack. All the beautiful friends looking at beautiful ginormous Jack. That was such a great story about my friend Jinormous Jack. Do you know that one day I went to Ningaloo Reef and I got to go swim with Jinormous Jack? He is so big. One of the whale sharks I got to swim with was just a baby, and you know, the baby was longer than me, longer than this. They're such amazing creatures, and because they are a mystery and go swimming off to all parts of the world, there's not a lot we know about them. It's so exciting. So now we're going to count all of our amazing fish in the ocean by singing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. Are you ready to come sing with me? Are you ready? Get your rods out. Whoosh. Oh, I've got something. Have you got something? Reel it in, reel it in, reel it in, ready, and catch it. Let's sing our song about catching a fish. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let him go again. Why did you let him go? 'Cause he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. Thank you so much for singing with me. Now we're going to make an ocean in a bottle with Lauren. Let's go see.
Hi everyone, we are going to make an ocean in a bottle. So we are going to need some things to make these. So we are going to use some sand. Then we will need an empty jar. So you can have as big or small as you like. We will need some baby oil or vegetable oil, either one works, and then some water. And I'm going to create my ocean, I'm going to use some shells, and then I have some beautiful sea creatures around here. And then the water of the ocean is blue, so I also have some blue food dye. So to create our ocean, with the ocean, when you look down in the ocean, the bottom of the ocean is sand. So we are going to put some sand in first. So I'm going to get some sand and scoop it in. You can use as much or as little as you like. It is your ocean. So I'm going to put, I think I'm going to put 4 spoonfuls of sand in. So I'm going to smooth that around like that. And then what I'm then going to do is I'm then going to put some shells in. So I'm going to choose, oh, this one's interesting. So I'm going to put that one down the bottom. And then I'm going, what else have I got here? I've got an octopus. So octopuses have 8 legs. So I'm going to pop him down the bottom there. And then what else do I have? I have another little shell. And I also have maybe a turtle. Turtles live in the ocean. I'm going to pop that down there too, and then I might put one more shell in. Or actually, I'm going to use this really long one. So I'm going to push that one just there. Then all you need to do then is you are going to pour some water in. So we're going to pour the water in. And the animals are then swimming in the ocean. You'll see that the sand stays down the bottom. You can pour a whole bottle. It depends how big or small your jar or your container is. But I'm going to fill mine. I'm going to use this whole bottle. And then I'm then going to put some blue food dye in. So we're going to make our water blue. So let's test and see how many drops we'll need. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how that goes. And then we're going to slightly stir it around. So I'm going to get the sand off my spoon. I'm going to stir my water around. Oh, that makes it really nice and blue. I think that will be really good. We can see our animals and our shells. And then to make our ocean complete, I'm going to put some oil in. Okay, so you can use vegetable or baby. And I'm going to create, and this is going to create bubbles. So I'm going to pour a fair bit in. As you can see all the bubbles coming up. And they are going to all sit at the top. Look at that. That you can see the oil there sitting at the top. I think we might actually need a little bit more. Let's put a little bit more in. And then you can see it's separating there, and you can still see your water in the ocean there. So once you finish that, you can pour some more water in, but you put your lid on. It's best to glue your lid down. And then what you can do then is you can stir your bottle around and you're creating bubbles in the ocean. How amazing is that? And you can see your animals and you've got your sand on the bottom. And so yeah, you can create this and you can leave this in your room. You can have it decorating your house, and you've created your own ocean in the bottle. How amazing is that? And you can look at that for a long time to come. Well, that was so much fun to make. I really enjoyed that. If you'd like to create your own ocean bottle, there is links below, so you can create that at home. And then there's lots of animals in the ocean, so we've also put a link in there for to learn about some humpback whales. So we encourage you to have a look at the link, and you can watch and learn more about under the ocean. Thank you so much for coming along and learning about the ocean with us. We look forward to seeing you next time.